Yo, yo, yo! It's me again, Kachow! Our lesson for today? Still tech. We're still in tech. Still. Tech. Tech mo. So, what now? What tech? So, we tackled Hero Tech unit. My unit is stupid. Special Force and all tech. So, about which which tech you should go next. Okay, so as I have said before, you only need this for siege to seize, and then this for defense fortification. So actually, why do you only need those? Okay, so you need to save your valor. Okay, you need to save your valor for what? For the mastery. Okay, so again, just like Hero Tech, you need to pick uh, you need to do what you are running on your main. So my main is tank. Fully invested on it. Even for my Wall of Honor, I invested on my tank team. Okay, so that's why I'm doing tank mastery. So if you are going to ask, is it worth it? Definitely yes. But it's kinda how should I say it? If you are looking for power, you won't get a decent amount of power when you do your tank mastery or your missile or your aircraft mastery. To be honest, guys, I'm at 88% now, and after finishing one, it will only give me 0.01 M. That is, I'm currently at 47.53. After finishing one, it will be 0.54 M only. So the power it it adds doesn't really uh, it will you will lose your you will lose faith. You will lose faith doing your masteries. Okay, but I highly suggest keep your faith, brother. I will show you why. This is actually good. This is I have what you call this? The performance of this the performance of this tech is actually insane in battles. Though you can't see it that much on your squad's power, but in performance, it's unbelievable actually. So I'll show you later uh, uh, a battle report. So why is it important? Because look at this. For each tank hero deployed, the HP of all tank heroes in the team is boosted. HP, this for attack, is for defense. So it doesn't say PvP or PvE. Okay? So what do I mean? Look at this. In PvP battles, as the attacker, hero attack increase. In PvP only. So, see, this won't help you on your world boss if you are trying to hit uh, for the next reward like 8G or 12G. This won't help you. Okay? This is only for PvP. Okay? PvP. So this will work on like Alliance Duel, Warzone Duel, Desert. I think this also work with Desert and Winter Storm. So those PvP battles. I'm not sure if this works in arena, but I think it works in arena since it's PvP. Okay, but for world boss or let's say you are starting uh this is season 4 but we are already at week 6, and when you are starting at week 1 you needed to do millet rallies. This siege to seize won't help you, okay, but your mastery will, because it is for both, like in general, in against PvP, against players, or against monsters. Okay, so that's how good is this is. So tank zero deployed, the damage caused by all tank heroes in the squad is boosted. All tank heroes again. Okay, and this is actually one of the best. Tank hero march size boost. So what's that? It increases your the troops you can carry. So like this one. So unit count is 3009. For my aircraft is just 2520. So that's what it do. Okay? This one, march size boost. And this is actually limited. You can also gain this where actually in your overlord. I think overlord also adds march size boost. Okay? So this is really really good. And this one, tank hero attack boost again. No specific category like PvP against players or PvE or against monsters. It only describes tank hero attack boost. So meaning both PvP and PvE. Also this one, defense boost. And this is for the HP. So all in general. Damage boost damage caused by tank heroes again in general, whether PvP or PvE. So this one is the tank hero gain extra damage reduction. This is actually uh if probably the best. Probably the best. This will help your uh, hero sustain more damage so they can last longer in battle. So although you see it at level 8 still at level 8 because I'm doing something to maximize the my 3 tech. So after finishing these 3 I will upgrade those 3 again. So it after finishing these 3 it will be level 9 then last upgrade, so I'll do it again and reach max. So when they are level 10 or max, I can upgrade this and then this and then this. Then after I'm done with one of those, probably this, I can upgrade this and then all 3 of this again. All 3 of these. And then after finishing all 3 of these at max, I will be able to do this. Okay? So the price is actually, don't be scared about your resources by doing the mastery tech. Okay? So why? Because at the same level, they required same gold or resources. 200, 208. This is 208. which is, if this is at the lower part, this should be this should be requiring a lot more gold, okay, right? But they are requiring the same amount of gold. For this one is a lot, a bit lower since it's only level 7. So this is really good. So let me show you the battle I am talking about. Let's see if I can still view it. Shout out to Aiko. Tamad maghanap eh. This one. Okay. See? He has 50M, 50.8, almost 59. So mine was just 47.5M. So huge difference, right? So that's 3M difference. Though he he has some advantage in some category and I have mine. Especially this one. Her Kim's weapon is stronger than mine. Our Williams and Murphy is the same. Though he got Williams but only level 1. About the gear, uh, I actually cooked him. Cooked him real bad. Actually, I'll make another video about this. So let's just skip it. I have the advantage in gears. Skill is the same. And this is the fun part. Drone. I only have 154 and he has 171. Though in drone components, I have 5 level 9 and he has only 3. But for Gorilla, damn, you see that? That's 4M versus 7.2M. That's level 5. This guy is a spender and I'm free to play and I still beat him. Okay? By the way, sorry bro, whoever you are, this is not for VIP. This is for knowledge gain only. Sorry brother. So this is the difference on that. So you see I was 87 yesterday. And then he is at 45%. So see the difference. Right. Oh, his special forces at already max. Oh, mine is still 87. And his siege to siege is 71. And my defense fortification to counter that is just 39. Because he is the attacker and I am this defender. But his hero tech is still at 70. Mine is 88. He is not probably is I don't think he hasn't he the last skill tree for his hero tech is not yet max. So that's what I guess. But this difference is really, really huge. I only had an advantage against him in gears, and tech, and drone components. How about the skill chip? Oh, skill chip is pretty much the same. Yeah, three 4-star and one 5-star each. It's still the same, just the same. And for the cards, I'm so stupid. I'm just I equip my attack cards. I equip my attack cards. So for morale, his was higher by 0.3. But for Wall of Honor, he is still has the advantage, 1,488. Mine is just 1195. Okay? But still, I did manage to beat him. So let's watch the video. Let's watch the battle. Birds okay, Kim is already there, but my resource is gone. Okay, what is that? He is almost done. You want my millions, guys? So millions. So that's how I win. That's how I won. So if you are losing faith on your mastery tech, I said this: keep your faith, brother. Keep your faith. Okay. So that's all for now. So I should be saying baboosh.